Is that good? And another one? What color is that? Is that purple? Purple? Okay. I know. 1, 2, 3. What do you got? What color is this one? Red? Red. Here, what's this one? Emma, what color is this? What is that? Is that red? Red. Good girl. What's this? Yellow. Yellow. I'll eat that one. What's this one? What is that? Red. Red. Emma, what's this one? Hey, what's this one? Orange? Orange. Oh, God. Another one? What do you got? What is that? Is that orange? Uh-oh. 2-second rule. Get it. There you go. All gone. All gone. No more. No more. No, put it back. Put it back. Good girl. Can you throw that in the trash? Will you throw that in the trash?